Hi, this is Sandy with needsribbon.com and Stampin Up. And I'm coming to you live today, Monday, February 5th, post Minneapolis Super Bowl. So I'm sure there's a lot of tired people today. And I just have not a whole lot to show today. But I am showing my face because I want to show some... You know, they talk about keeping it real. Well, I'm going to show you real in the real life of a busy demonstrator and a busy mom, wife, all of that. So I'm going to flip the camera around. No judgments on what I'm about to show you. Yeah, life happens and I need to deal with this. So let me flip you around and give you a little tour. Okay, where are we? Oh, there we are. Okay, so we are in my stamp studio, which I still need to name, and I wanted to just show you. So you're getting a little tour of mostly the floor. Oh, and a cat that's hiding over there. This is all stuff that I've had a lot. This is my work table. You see, I cleared a spot to do my live right there. I've had a lot of events. My light's going wiggy again. A lot of events lately, and just a lot of things happening at home too. And I have to deal with. I have everything will get put away nice and tidy. Here, I'll show you a little infographic I made for our extravaganza a couple weeks ago when I showed the Lots of Happy card kit. I kind of like this. It didn't turn out quite the way I thought, but how do I show this? Because my arms aren't that long. Anyway, it's just the Stampin' Up! Kits are awesome. And you can go around because batteries are already included. Everything is in one box. Use kits as a jumping point for alternate products. These are all why I love kits. Kits help beginner crafters build their craft stash. Great for beginner and seasoned crafters. You can use kit supplies to make your own projects. Gather friends to make your kits together, so it's a social thing. They're affordable. No extra supplies needed. Usually just scissors, maybe a little glue. Not much. Kits make it easy. They're easy to store. Often contain exclusive stamp sets you can use again and again. There is no planning with kits. Kits sometimes contain extra exclusive supplies, like the watercolor pencils in the Lots of Happy kit, and often only need scissors. That was my little infographic thing that I made for kits for a couple weeks ago. But anyway, it all does get put away. I've just been, and when it is, the space is nice, but it just has gotten kind of crazy. Back to back events, and and then home life. I have one of those too, and. Just not sure. Hi, Valerie. Not sure I've got this in correctly. Raw. So those joining later can see my studio mess after I post this. I don't think this thing is incorrect. It's a little canted. Probably kind of like me today, post Super Bowl and everything. I actually did watch it. Yeah, I think I'm almost set. Anyway, close. Really close. Yeah. I really do have a big mess. But again, it does clean up nicely. I need a couple hours to do that. So, Monday, post Super Bowl, post Minneapolis nice. I think we showed our true colors. As we usually do, Minnesotans are that's just who we are and what we do. And hopefully everybody had a lovely visit and will go. As they say, you're welcome to come over, but don't stay. So I completely agree. You're welcome to be here, but go home now. Moving on. So, oh yeah, more business to attend to. So one of the things that I posted not on a live, but last week was for February for if you place a qualifying order of at least $50, you're going to get 4 handmade cards from me. And they'll get mailed in about a week, and you can kind of see them in my flyer anyway. I just thought I'd show you the cards. They're very cute, using lots of lavender, the Heartfelt Blooms, almost forgot what the name of that one was, the Amazing You stamp set, which I'm going to talk about today, and then Party Pandas. And you get 4 envelopes and nothing. They just will get mailed to you if you place the qualifying order. Nothing to do, just a little gift for me during Sale-A-Bration for your business. So, yeah, that is my little bit of business. So, today I wanted to talk about, I need my catalog, my Sale-A-Bration catalog. I thought today, last Wednesday it was called Barely Alive at 5. I thought today was going to be live at almost 5 because true to form, I was running around doing other things, and should have planned a little better so I could get down here earlier. And anyway, so what I want to show you is on Sale-A-Bration brochure. Trying to find it because I don't remember page numbers very good. Pages 16 and 17. This stamp set, the Amazing You stamp set, which is a level 1 earner, so with a $50 order, and then the Celebrate You Thinlits, which is a level 2 stamp set, so it's free with a $100 purchase. So if you place a $150 order, I like this math. I was thinking about this as I was frantically getting ready today. If you place a $150 order, you get the stamp set and the Thinlits for free, and you get hostess benefits because that's the minimum hostess benefits. So you can either pick out 3 level 1, or I would go with these 2 because they go so well together. Why, what's to think about that? That's just like winner chicken dinner to me. Anyhow, so the Amazing You stamp set. This is what we're going to talk about today. The flower, the Celebrate, Amazing, so some words and 2 images. Flower, and then this kind of, sun rays? I don't know. Starlight? I don't know what you call it. And then the Thinlits, which will be in the annual catalog. And Thinlits, as we know, are a little more on the spendy side, so this is a chance to get them for free. Sorry, I'm still picking stuff out. And this is what they come. You get 3 Thinlits, Amazing You, and Celebrate. So you could do Celebrate You, Amazing You, You and Are Amazing, or I don't know, or just You, or just Celebrate, or Amazing. Some kind of combination like that. This is the Amazing. That probably doesn't show up as well. I have it in Dapper Denim here. The 2 colors I'm working with today are Peekaboo Peach and Dapper Denim. That's the Amazing. Scripty. Celebrate, kind of your traditional handwriting penmanship, if mine still look like that. And then the You, which I used, I've showed before on lives. I use those a lot on the Valentine stuff I made in gold. So those are the things, and I really have no plan. I must be truthful. I just thought they went well together. Haven't done a lot with them. Anyway, so let's get stamping. I have just got some quarter sheets of cardstock. 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. I'll cut them down as I usually do and finish the cards offline and then show them next time. I only grabbed 2 inks, black. Why I didn't grab Dapper Denim, I don't know. A Peekaboo Peach and some blocks. So let's do, and here's the reason I kind of like, okay, you look at the difference, and I'll flip it over so you can see it better. So Celebrate and Amazing, here they are cut out. They're way bigger. Mine are all tangled now. Look at the size difference. And so you put that on a card and it gets pretty big. I mean, it would fit better if you did landscape, but no, these pretty, yeah, these come almost the same size. So they're pretty big. That's why I kind of like using the words and then do the emphasis on the U. That's just my idea, but I don't know. We don't know what Sandy's going to create today because she didn't plan me on just using this stuff in the colors. Sorry, I'm laughing at myself because, yeah, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes I end up laughing at offline, off the camera, and going, wow, you really think you know what you're doing, but you don't, do you, Sandy? Is this... Wow, that... Okay, so it's not sticking either. My blocks are very, very dirty, and I need to have a block cleaning day. I've been saying that for a while. I think it goes along with an office studio cleaning day, along with other cleaning day. The rest of the house is in pretty good shape, but so amazing. So how about we stamp the Amazing and Peekaboo Peach. I'm just going to kind of show you how these stamps. I'm not going to fuss a lot because I'll finish these offline because I'm suddenly realizing I really don't know what I want to do. Amazing. Am I straight? I'm so far away from where my face is. And then we could put a U down there. And, ooh, how about... we have that. Didn't think this through. Yeah, this is what happens when you go live and you spend all of 5 minutes planning. Okay, I have no idea. Any suggestions? Someone is certainly welcome to weigh in and go do this. So we will go with, I'm going to offset this. And then maybe finish it up that way. That? Okay. We'll go, oops, I just leaned my arm in the ink pad. Something like that. Suppose we could, wow. Dead air. I need to do my little wow, okay, we'll stamp this again. Actually, how about I go that way? Ooh. You can barely see that final one. And we could do a celebrate. I really don't know what I'm doing. I just want to show you this stuff. You? I'll play with that idea. Anyway, so that's another idea. How about one more to embarrass myself further and make you think I know what I'm doing, but I really don't. I really, really don't. What is this thing? Let's. Oh, there's a let's in there. I didn't know that. Wow. Way to pay attention, Sandy. So, yeah. I'll stamp the flower. Ooh, that's a pretty flower. And down here, I'll color it in later because I didn't grab any markers. We could just even do something simple about just amazing because that flower is beautiful and fill that in. That would be an easy card. That's an idea. What are the other words here? You are simply amazing. Something like that. How about just I don't know what I'm doing. I'm doing this live, and yeah. I'm sure my brain CPU is on overdrive right now. And then I need another block. Wow, that's not sticking. And we could do where I used up all my U's. Did I use up all my U's? I must have. I'd cut out another U, are simply amazing, and do something like that. Anyway, that's just an idea, but I just think these stamp sets are the stamp set and the framelit, and again, for $150 order, winner. So these are just showing you the Amazing You Sale-A-Bration stamp set, the Celebrate You Thinlits, which cut out Celebrate, Amazing, and You. And for $150, you could get all of them and $150 worth of products and be the host of your own little private party. I wanted to let you know also that next Tuesday, and I will have my place cleaned up by then, Tuesday, February 13th, from 1 to 4 is my Sandy Sandbox. That's a chance that you can come over. Everyone is invited, believe me. Whether you're a demonstrator or not, if you want to come over and see my space and play for a couple hours, come on by. Just message me for the address. It's a chance to play with colors, play with inks, play with stamp sets. Remember, you just have to bring your own paper and adhesive. I do have scissors and all that other stuff, so anything that's disposable, you'll need to bring. But it's a chance to try out like the Celebrate You Thinlits. Play with them and see why you need to get them. So that's next Tuesday, and that's really all I have today. So be sure and visit needsaribbon.com to place your order for these amazing products. And stay tuned for how I finish these off offline. I will show you probably Wednesday. I think I'll be back because Thursday, some things are going on Thursday. So yeah, it'll probably be Wednesday this week. Will be my second live. And thank you for tuning in. Keep being your creative best. Bye.